Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to online zoology class. In the previous class, I had completed up to, that is the implantation of the blastocyst, then after the gastrulation, how the three germ layers are formed, then that is the fat of the three germ layers, then that is the extra embryonic membrane, that is I have completed up to, that is extra embryonic membrane. So let me start today about the, that is the pregnancy, about the pregnancy. That is the, we have read that this is the uterus, this is the uterus, and inside the uterus the embryo or the blastocyst attached into the endometrial wall, Then after that it remains inside the uterus and gradually that is converts into the fetus. Then after the, that is a baby is born, So first of all, that is the period from the fertilization, up to the child birth, the period between the fertilization and that is the child birth is said, or it is called the pregnancy. That is the duration of a time from the fertilization to the child birth is called as the pregnancy, or it in other word it is called as the gestation period. It is other word called as the gestation period. In this period, that is the embryo grows to its full size, that is the full size structure, and after that it comes to the outside as the baby, So in this, that is the pregnancy, or the duration, or the, that is the duration between, that is the fertilization to the, that is the child birth is called as the pregnancy, and that is the, or it is otherwise called as the gestation period. It is called as the gestation period. In this period, that is the embryo develops into, that is the full form individual or the child. Then another thing is that in this period, that is the placenta plays the main role or important role. Placenta, that is the plays the important role. Then the total, that is the development of an individual is divided into two groups or into two parts. That is the prenatal development, and another is the postnatal development. That is the prenatal development and another is the postnatal development. Prenatal development means the development which occurs before the birth. That is when it is present inside the uterus of the mother. That is called as the prenatal development. Then postnatal development, which the development which occurs by in the individual after the birth is called as the postnatal, that is the development. Then in the prenatal development, first, that is the embryo blast is formed, and that embryo blast is attached into the, that is the uterine wall or endometrium of the uterus, that is called as the implantation. Then after, that is the gastrulation is occurred, where that is a single layered blastula converts into a three-layered gastrula. Then that is the organogenesis is occurred where different organs are formed. Then the individual, that is after the full form, that is the individual comes to the outside. Then another thing is that is the embryo which grows inside the, that is the mother uterus. After 8 weeks or after 2 months, or after that is the 8 week or 2 months, that is this embryo is called as the fetus. That fetus, when it comes to the outside, when it borns, it is called as that is the baby. When it is born, it is called as the baby. So that is the total the total gestation period is about 280 days, or that is 260 days from the fertilization, or that is 280 days from the last menstrual cycle. That means the ovulation takes place in 14th day. So 260 days after ovulation, the fertilization is occurred. So 266 days plus 14 days is equal to 280 days. So that is for the total embryonic development. That is the gestation period is about 280 days in case of the men, or 266 days after the ovulation. So that is arbitrarily it is taken as the 9 months. And it is divided into 3 parts, or in 3, that is the fraction, and this is called as the trimester. And each, that is the 9 month is divided into 3 trimester, and each trimester consists of 3 months. So first trimester comprises of first 3 months, second trimester consists of, that is 4th month to 6th month, 4th, 5th and 6th month. Then the third trimester consists of 7th, 8th and 9th month. So that is come to one by one. Let us discuss one by one. So it is the first trimester. That is the first trimester, that is most of the organs are developed. In the first trimester, that means in the first 3 months, within first 3 months of the pregnancy, most of the organs develops, and the other 2 trimester takes for its growth and that is the development. So let me start one by one. In the first trimester, that is the first trimester. In the first trimester, the embryo grows up to 3 to 4 inches. That is 3 to 4 inches. That is in first trimester, the embryo grows up to 3 to 4 inches. Where that is, it starts, the first trimester starts from the fertilization. Then after fertilization occurs 1 to 2 days after the ovulation. That means ovulation takes place in 14th day. Then after within 1 to 2 days, that is the fertilization is taking place. And after the fertilization, within 4 to 5 days, the blastocyst is formed. Which enters into the uterine cavity. Then on the 7th to 9th days, that is the implantation is occurred. Within the 7th to 9th day, that is the implantation takes place. Then after, that is from the second week, or in the second week, that is the gastrulation is occurred and 3 germ layer is formed. Then from the 3 germ layer, different organs are developed. That is called as the organogenesis. that is called as the organogenesis. That process is called as the organogenesis. So, after the first month, first trimester consists of 3 months. 3 months after the first month, that is the heart of the embryo is developed. Heart of the embryo is developed. So, that is by carefully we can listen the heart sound of the baby by the help of stethoscope. A doctor can listen, that is the heart sound after the 1 month of the baby, that is by the help of the stethoscope, very minutely. So the heart is formed after 1 month. After 1 month, then that is the heart is present. Then that is within the second month. Within the second month, that is after the first month, and after this or within the second month or after the second month, that is the baby is called as the fetus. That is the embryo is called as the fetus. So why it is called as the fetus? Because the limbs and digits are developed. Limbs, that means 4 limbs and the hind limbs. Developed with the fingers. In the second month. That is at the end of the second month. And also in that is the brain and cranial nerves. The brain, that is the brain and the cranial nerves. Cranial nerves means the nerves which arise from the brain is called as the cranial nerves. They start to develop from the second month or within the second month. Then towards the end of the first trimester, that means towards the end of third month, that is the most of the organs like the muscles, external ear and external genitalia are developed. External genitalia, external ear and the muscles are developed in the fetus. So the sex can be determined. That is, sex can be determined by the ultrasound in technique. That is after 3 months. That is towards the 4 month. Whether that is the embryo will develop into a girl or a boy, we can assume, or we can find from the ultrasound machines, that is after 3 months. So because it is to the end of the third month, the muscles, that is external genitalia, as well as the external ears are developed. Then you come to the second trimester. This is all about the first trimester. That means in the first trimester, the embryo grows up to the 3 to 4 inches, and in the first trimester, the heart is, after 1 month, the heart is developed. In the second month, the brain and the cranial nerves develops, and that is to the end of the second month, that is the limbs as well as the digits are developed. At that time, it is called as the fetus instead of embryo. Clear? So that is the most of the organs like the muscles, that is the limbs, that is the external ears and the external genitalia are developed in the first trimester. Then you come to the second trimester. In the second trimester begins from the second trimester. The second trimester begins from or comprises of 4th, 5th and 6th months, and where the individual grows up to 9 to 10 inches, where the individual develops into, or the embryo grows up to 9 to 10 inches. During the 5th month, that is at the 5th month, in the 5th month actually, that is the child starts to, that is the first movement of the fetus occurs in the 5th month. In the 5th month, that is the fetus starts to move in the 5th month. Then after, some hairs are developed on its head. On its head. किछि चूल भी ता मुंडरे देखा दबे. आउ कौन हुए ना फिंगरप्रिंट्स एंड फुटप्रिंट्स. फिंगरप्रिंट्स माने जो आमे जो टिप दउ ता देहर सो धारा 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 होय सो धारा उडा. It is they are also develops in the 5th month. In the 5th month also, that is the fingerprints as well as that is the footprints are developed. Then towards the end of the 6th month, that means to 24 week, that is towards the end of the 24 week, that is the total embryo is covered by the hairs. Is covered by the hairs, and that stage is called as the legeno. That stage is called as legeno. So it is that is the legeno, and that is the upper and lower eyelids are separated. At this condition, the upper and lower eyelids are separated, and the eyelashes are developed. Eyelashes माने आखि पतार जो चूल, eyelashes are developed. So in the second trimester, that is the second trimester. In the second trimester, that is consist of 4th, 5th, and 6th month. And that is in 5th month, the first child that is moved, or the movement of the fetus occurs in 5th month. Then after, in the 5th month. Then after, that is in the 5th month, that is and another thing is that appearance of the hair. That is the fetus moves, and some hairs are also developed in its head. तार मुंडर किछि चूल देखा हबो. First 5th month रे कोन हबो ना चाइल्ड ता टिके मूव, दैट इज द एम्ब्रियो टा मूव करिवो, प्लस तार मुंडर किछि चूल देखा हबो. आउ कोन हबो ना फिंगरप्रिंट. दैट इज द टिप दला बेले जो चिन्ह सब हाथ रे उठे दार दार सेउडा होछि फिंगरप्रिंट, एंड दैट इज द फुटप्रिंट. गुडर भी सेमति सेई प्रिंट गुडा का तार बा धारा गुडा का डेवलप करे. आउ कोन हुए ना बाय द एंड ऑफ 4th, 24th or the second, the baby is covered by, that is the hairs. The baby is covered by the hairs, and that, so this is called as the lenego. That is called as the lenego. That stage is called as when the total body is covered by the hairs. It is called as the lenego. And at that times, the upper and lower eyelids are separated, and that is the eyelashes are developed. आखिर सब चूल देखा जीवो, आ upper lip, lower lip कोन हबो ना सेपरेट हबो. तापरे आसीबा कोठी की ना दी ताने कोन हला सेकंड टाइम स्टार रे मूवमेंट करिवो फिटस ता 5th मंथ रे. देन दैट इज द आउ कोन हबो ना आखि पता खुलिवो, आखि पता सेपरेट हबो, ऊपर आखि तळ आखि सेपरेट हबो, आ आई लेसेस डेवलप करिवो. आउ 6 मंथ शेष बेलू कौन होइतिबो ना ता बॉडी रे सब कौन हबो ना लुम सब भर्ती होइजिबो. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लेनेगो. LANUGO. से स्टेज ता कहला लेनेगो. एटा चली गला सेकंड सेम, दैट इज द टाइम स्टार. देन यू कम टू द थर्ड टाइम स्टार. In the third time star, it starts from the 7th, 8th, that is it starts from the 7th up to the child birth. तो माने 7 मास कतरु छुआ जन्म हला पर्यंत, that is called as the third time star. Third time star रे कोन हुए ना during the 7th month, that is the eyelids or eyes open, and that is the fetus is able to cry. The eye, that is the eyelids are, that is this, or the eye opens, and that is the child is able to that is the cry, able to cry. Then after the baby is able to cry, and it becomes very active. Body fat and bones are developed. The fats and the bones are, that is the developed at the 7th month. And other, that is the important organ systems like respiratory systems, circulatory systems are also developed during this month. That is, in the 7th month, circulatory system and that is the respiratory systems are also developed. So that is, after that, if the child is comes to the outside, or that is the premature delivery is occurred after 7th month, then the child may survive. The child may survive. But before 27th week, तामाने 7 मास पूर्व 7 मास हेले 7 28 week, तेनो 7 मास पूर्व जदि छुआटा जन्म हुए से सर्वाइव करिवो नाही, कारण तार सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम एडा सब डेवलप है नाही। तेणु 30 week पर जदि छुआटा जन्म हुए ताले से सर्वाइव करि पारिबो, कारण सेतळकु तार सब कोन आइतो ना नहले हमर केता होची, दैट इज 9 into 4 हेले 36 week होची। 36 week ता होची फुल स्ट्रक्चर। 30 पर जन्म हेले इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, और इट मे सर्वाइव, बट बिफोर 27 द चाइल्ड कैनॉट सर्वाइव, और that is the embryo will not survive in future. So anyway, this is that means in the 7th month all the that is most important organ systems are developed, and in that is the 8th month, that is in case of during the 8th month, that is the baby grows and matured. In the 8th month the baby grows and matured, that is the छुआटा बढ़िबो आ टोटल फुल स्ट्रक्चर है जिवो। आ 9th month रे तारो वेट ता डबल है जिवो, and it is ready to, that is the comes to the outside, or it is ready for the delivery. Clear? So this is all about the pregnancy. So it is all about the pregnancy. Pregnancy हमें जानिले, after the fertilization, the time duration after the fertilization to the childbirth is called as the pregnancy. It is about 280 days, and or 260 days from the fertilization or ovulation, and or the 280 days that is from the last menstrual cycle. And it is arbitrarily divided into, or it is 9 months. It is about 9 months, and it is arbitrarily divided into 3 trimester. First time, and so each trimester comprises of 3 months. The first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. First trimester रे कोन हला ना हार्ट ता डेवलप हला, दैट इज फर्स्ट trimester रा प्रथम मंथ परे हार्ट ता डेवलप हला। द्वितीय मंथ शेष बेलकु कोन हला ना तार आंगुली डेवलप कला, आउ हाथ गुड़ सब तैयारी हला, सेउटु सेटा को कुआ गला fetus instead of the embryo. तापरे कोन हला ना तापरे तार ब्रेन आउ दैट इज द cranial nerves डेवलप कला सेकंड मंथ रे। तापरे थर्ड मंथ एंड बेलकु तार सब इंपोर्टेंट ऑर्गन गुडा डेवलप कला, दैट इज एक्सटर्नल जेनेटिलिया, देन दैट इज द एक्सटर्नल ईयर, देन दैट इज द मसल्स, एगुडा सब डेवलप कला हला। सेति पई छुआ ता पुओ होबो कि झियो होबो हमें 4th मंथ रे अल्ट्रासाउंड द्वारा कहि पारिबा, कारण 3rd मंथ रे तार एक्सटर्नल जेनेटिलिया डेवलप कला, सेटा पुओ होबो कि दैट मींस आइदर पेनिस और vulva it will be appear. So then from the in the second trimester the पिलाटा कोन हबो 5th मंथ बेलको मूवमेंट करिवो, 5th आउ 6th मंथ बेलको आखि दीटा सेपरेट हबो, आउ टोटल बॉडी ऊपर कवर कर जिवो कोन ना जो चूलो गुडा को कवर कर जिवो, ताकू कहा गला लेनेगो। एंड 5th मंथ रे चाइल्ड ता मूवमेंट करिवो, आउ कोन हबो ता मुंडो ऊपर किछि चूलो देखा जिवो हला। तापरे आसीबा कोठी की 6th मंथ सरला, तापरे दैट इज थर्ड trimester 7th मंथ रे मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर सब हबो, दैट इज पिलाटा एक्टिव हबो, आउ एडी कोन हबो ना तार आखि पता दीटा सेपरेट हबो, आउ से ओ आखि खुलिबो, आउ से कांदी पारिबो हला, आउ मूवमेंट करिवो। आउ 8th मंथ रे कोन हबो ना तार दैट इज 8th मंथ रे मैच्योर्ड हबो, आउ फुल ग्रोथ तारे बढ़िबो, आउ 9th मंथ रे तार वेट ता हेजिबो डबल, आउ एस में रहला। तेनु चाइल्ड ता जदि 27 वीक बा दैट इज बिफोर 7 मंथ जन्म हुए, ताने इस रेस्पिरेटरी सर्कुलेटरी उडा डेवलप है नथिबो, हुए त से मरि जाई ना, से मरि जिवो रहिबो नाही। किंतु 30 वीक परे जन्म हले दैट इज अबाउट 8 मंथ जदि पाखा पाखी दैट इज 2 ताने सतळो सेटा सर्वाइव करिवार चांस अछि गला। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रेगनेंसी हला। तेणु प्रेगनेंसी डेट ता पड़िबो सब क्वेश्चन that is what is the gestation period. Pregnancy is otherwise called as the gestation period. It is about 280 days. Then you come to the second one. You come to the placenta. You come to the placenta. What is a placenta? I have told you that is in the gestation period the placenta plays the main role. In the gestation period the placenta plays the main role. So what is the placenta? I have told you in the previous class, in the time of implantation, that is the embryoblast forms the chorionic villi, and which is actually fits with a interdigital process with the uterine wall. So this structure is called as the placenta. That means the placenta is the mechanical and physiological connection. The placenta is a mechanical and a physiological connection between the fetus or the embryo with the uterus wall of the mother for the exchange of materials. तामाने एटी माँ कतरु सबु जिनस ए प्लासेंटा थ्रो रे छुआ पाइबो. सो इट इज द प्लासेंटा. आमे सब सुनिचे जे जेतबेले छुआ गोटा जन्म होई सारिबो कहंती कोन ऑल द विविपरस एनिमल्स इंक्लूडिंग मामल, दिट इंक्लूडिंग मैन. विविपरस मामल रे कोन होबो ना पिलाटा जन्म हला पर कहंती फूलो पडिछि ना नाही. फूलो होउछि ए प्लासेंटाटा. इट इज एन अटैचमेंट that is the interconnecting structure between the mother and fetus. दी जनक भितरे गोटे कनेक्शन अछि, गोटे स्ट्रक्चर, मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर. से कनेक्शन ले कोन होछि ना छुआटा सब मां कतरु खाद्य पदार्थ पाउछि, ऑक्सीजन पाउछि, आ सेहि द्वारा सब एक्सक्रीटर प्रोडक्ट उडा मां ब्लड को छाडी दोछि. छाडला पर सेटा पुनी एक्सक्रीशन मां देई की जाउछि. एनु ए प्लासेंटा छुआटा जन्म होई साला परे प्लासेंटा बाहर को आसे. तेणु the placenta is the mechanical as well as a physiological connection between mother and the fetus for the exchange of material. Then it starts its formation after, that is 7th days. After 7th days of the fertilization, it starts its formation. एटा प्रथमे तयारी केतबेले हबो मु पढाई छि आगु. That is 7th month of that is the fertilization. एटा स्टार्ट हबो. एटा यूट्राइन वाल भितर को पसिबो, एंडोमेट्रियम वाल भितर को कोरियोनिक विली कोन करिवो एमती विली गुडा कोरियोनिक विली गुडा ता भितर को बॉडी भितर यूट्रस भितर को एटा पसिबो हला. तो सेठी दैट इज एटा केतले कंप्लीट हबो इन द 10th week. That is the formation of placenta is completed in the 10th week, and it is completed in the 10th week. At first, that is the chorionic. I have told you in the extra embryonic membrane. This is the chorion. Outer layer is chorion, and the inner layer is amnion, and it is the embryo, and this is called a yolk sac, and this is called as the allantois. That is given the figure in the last class. This is the extra embryonic membrane. This is chorion, this is amnion, and this is allantois, and this is called as the yolk sac. Clear? So the chorion develops the chorionic villi, and which enters into the wall of uterus. So it is called as the chorionic placenta. In case of the mammal or in case of the man, it is called as the chorionic placenta, because and from the fetus side. Then after from the yolks, from the allantois, that is the blood vessels are developed, which enters into the chorionic villi. Blood vessels are developed and which enters into the chorionic villi. So the placenta is actually formed by the two layers, extra embryonic membrane. That is allantois, another is chorion. So it is called as the chorioallantoic placenta. And then another is that placenta. The placenta appears as a disc-like structure. it appears as a that is a dinner disk like plate गोटे प्लेट भलिया एटा देखा जीवो आउ फ्रॉम दी दैट इज द फिटस साइड ए ऊपर आड़ी के छुआ आड़ी के जोटा सेटा पूरा प्लेन थिबो आउ ता मझिरु गोटे अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड बाहर थिबो जोटा हमर नाड़ी नागी थाए दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द अम्बिलिकल cord. That is called as the umbilical cord. And that umbilical cord is called as the lifeline of the fetus. Lifeline of the fetus माने एटा छुआ रहा है कटि जीव छुआ आ बढ़ी पारिबो नाही कारण आ भितरे दीटा थिबो umbilical artery आ गुटिए थिबो vein. Artery रे कोन होतबो ना artery रे कोन होतबो छुआ कतरु that is blood गुडा को आसुथबो कोउटी की प्लासेंटा को vein रे फेरी जाउथबो गुटिए vein अछि सेटा फेरी जाउथबो तेणु मु सेतबेला कहिथिली जे एटा जतले तयारी हुए एटी 6टा लेयर थाए जतले एटा प्रथमे तयारी होई थाए एटी 6टा लेयर थाए मा साइड रु 3टा लेयर आ छुआ साइड रु 3टा लेयर एटी हिस्टोलॉजिकली तेणु मा साइड रे कोन ना मा साइड रहउची एपिथेलियम द एंडोमेट्रियम एपिथेलियम ऑफ द एंडोमेट्रियम तापर थिबो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ऑफ एंडोमेट्रियम एंडोमेट्रियम जानिछो एंडोमेट्रियम होची इनर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द that is the uterus uterus टाको तीन भाग रे तार वॉल टाको तीन भाग रे विभक्त करा हितला तेणु गुटे आउटर वॉल टा होची that is epimetrium भीतर मायोमेट्रियम मझी एंडोमेट्रियम भीतरटा एंडोमेट्रियम इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट कारण एंडोमेट्रियम रे मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल हुए एंडोमेट्रियम टा प्लासेंटा तैयार रे सहायता करे एंडोमेट्रियम प्रो दीटा that is एंडोमेट्रियम रो एपिथेलियल लेयर that is functionally आउट होची बेसाली तळ लेयर टा होची बेसाली ऊपर टा होची फंक्शनली ए फंक्शनल एटा नष्ट हो जाए बेसाली कोन करे ताको आउथरे पुनी तयारी करे सिमिति एटा होची दैट इज द एंडोमेट्रियम दैट इज द एपिथेलियल लेयर्स ऑफ द एंडोमेट्रियम तापर रहइबो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ऑफ द एंडोमेट्रियम तापर रहइबो ब्लड वेसल ऑफ द एंडोमेट्रियम जो ब्लड वेसल गुडा को यूटरस रो एई एंडोमेट्रियम सप्लाई हेची दैट इज आर्टरी एंड वेन सिमिलरली फिटस साइड रु 3टा लेयर अछि दैट इज द एपिथेलियम दैट इज द कोरियोनिक एपिथेलियम देन chorionic connective tissue and that is the blood vessel which is formed by the allantois तेणु एटी 6टा लेयर एपटे 3टा लेयर एपटे 3टा लेयर हुए एपटे 3टा लेयर एपटे 3टा लेयर हुए किंतु इन केस ऑफ द मैन कोन करे ना ए जो ट्रोफोब्लास्ट सेल अछि दैट इज कारो ना कोरियोनिक विली रो से कोन करे मारो ए 3टा लेयर को नष्ट कर दिए काको ना एपिथेलियम को दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द endometrium epithelium then endometrium connective tissue आउ endothelial cell of the blood vessel को फटाई दे कि ब्लड उडा का बाहरी आसे कि ए जो स्पंजी टिश्यू भितरे ब्लड टा रुहे ता माने ब्लड टा ए जो इंटरमिंगलिंग विली अछि ए भितली स्पेस रे एम्ति ता माने एठी रोइला ए विली तळु को रहिबो छुआर ब्लड आ विली ऊपर रहिबो मार ब्लड किंतु ए दिटा डायरेक्ट मिसिबो नाही काहे कि मिसिबो नाही ना मिसिले हुए तो छुआर आ मार ब्लड टा मिसमैचिंग हेई पारे बा दैट इज मिसमैचिंग माने सिधि अन्य ग्रुप हेतिबो किबा अन्य एंटीजन थिबो ताले हुए तो मा किबा छुआ एटा डिस्कनेक्ट होबो तापरे कोन होबो ना जेहेतु एटा मार कोनोसी लेयर रहिला नाही केवल ब्लड रहिला आ एटी रहिला एटा को कहा जाय हीमोकोरियोनिक प्लासेंटा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द हीमोकोरियल प्लासेंटा हीमो मींस ब्लड कोरियल मींस कोरियोनिक मेम्ब्रेन हीमोकोरियल प्लासेंटा मार ब्लड टा कोरियोनिक विली ऊपर बहिला हला तापरे आउ कोन हला ना एटा हला इनकम्पैटिबल ता माने काहे कि ब्लड टा छुआरा आ मार डायरेक्ट मिसिला नाही सो इट मे बी दैट द टू ब्लड मे बी इनकम्पैटिबल होय तो से माने समान न होई पारंती समान न हले से माने मरि जाई पारंती तापरे आउ गोटा कोन हबो ना द प्रेशर ऑफ द ब्लड वेसल ऑफ द मदर इज मच मोर हायर देन द fetus छुआर ब्लड वेसल थारु यार प्रेशर अधिक हो तेणु जदि डायरेक्ट से लागिबो ताने ब्लड वेसल गुडा को छुआर फाटी जिवो तेणु छुआ डेवलप करिवो नाही आउ कोन हबो ना द प्लासेंटा प्रिवेंट्स or it allows the suitable substances but it does not allow that is the harmful substances like that is तेणु एटा गोटे प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर हेसारे काम कला जोटा कि छुआ का बढ़ीते छुआ को खराब जिनस ताकते हठात आसीबो नाही तापरे से कोन कहूची जेतले छुआटा जन्म होई साला परे तार कोन हुए ना ये अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड टा काटी दिया जाए ए अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड टा काटी दियाले किंतु बॉडी रो सेटा गोटे चिन्ह होई के रही जाए ताकू कोनती नेभल बा ताकू कोनती अम्बिलिकस बा नेभल which is the point where the umbilical cord has been, that is the attached जोटी umbilical cord टा लागी थला छुआटा बढ़िला परे सेटा एटा नाही आकार एटा देखाला एटा चली गला, that is called as the placenta तापर हमें आसीबा what is the function of placenta रो सब function हमें देखिबा so I have told you that is the umbilical cord is the lifeline of the fetus lifeline होची कहारो ना छुआरो किंतु एई एटा होची तार connection it is the lifeline but actually life is that is the through the placenta देई कि तार सब जिंस आसुची तेणु तार फंक्शन गुडाए गोटे पर गोटे आम देखा फास्ट हूँ न्यूट्रिशन फास्ट फंक्शन हूँ न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स दैट इज द चाइल्ड गेट्स ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द मदर ब्लड थ्रू द प्लासेंटा so this is called as the first nutrition. The second one is called as the digestion means जो प्रोटीन फूड गुड़ाक मार ब्लड रे थिबो सेटा को आगे ट्रोफोब्लास्ट सेल ताको डाइजेस्ट करके एमिनो एसिड रे परिणत करिवो एमिनो एसिड रे परिणत कला परे तापरे से कोन करिवो ए दैट इज द फिटस ब्लड ए जो फिटस ब्लड भीतर को छाड़िवो छाड़ले सेटा भीतर को आसीबो इट हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन एंड थर्ड वन इट हेल्प्स इन respiration means that is the placenta act as a respiratory organ जोटा माँ कतरु छुआ ब्लड को ऑक्सीजन आसीबो छुआ ब्लड रो माँ ब्लड को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जीवो so it behaves as the respiratory organ that is through which that is the gases are interchanged between the fetus blood and the mother blood and that is the barrier is only the chorionic villi or chorionic layer 3 layers from the fetal site clear then after it is the excretion then after the fourth one is called as excretion. The fourth one excretion. In excretion, the excretory product from the fetus diffuses into the mother blood. So this is the chorionic villi, and here the mother blood is present, and here epithelia, and here the blood vessel. From the blood vessel, that is into the mother blood, the excretory substances enters. And it is excreted along with the that is mother's excretion. Then after another is anchorage. That means this chorionic villi helps to attach the fetus into the uterine wall. तेणु ये जो villi रहिला chorionic villi द्वारा कौन हला ना ये चाइल्ड टा लागी की रहिला का सहित ना मार यूट्रस सहित लागी की रहइबो हठात खसिबो नाही एंकरेज देन अनदर इज कॉल्ड एज द स्टोरेज मींस एठी जत पर्यंत हमर लिवर तयारी हे नाही फिटस रो हला दैट इज अप टू दैट इज द लिवर दैट टिल द लिवर हैज नॉट फॉर्म्ड दैट इज at that times the placenta helps to stores the glycogen fat and the iron so it behaves as storing materials of the fetus. Then after that is it as the end that is the act as a barrier. It act as a barrier. Barrier means pratibandhaka. Act as a barrier. केमति कोन करिवो ना suppose that is the teratogenic substances. That is the teratogenic substances. Teratogenic means teratogen chemicals means that is those chemicals that is if it enters into the fetus blood then the fetus will develop into a abnormal form. So that substances comes from that is either virus or from certain drugs. So the placenta behaves as a barrier which prevent the entry of the teratogenic chemicals into the fetal blood. So तामाने fetal chemical जो teratogen chemical जोड़ा सोड़ा कौन करिवो यदि छुआर ब्लड भीतर को आसे ताने छुआ को विकलांग करिवो आइदर छोटा करिवो कोणा करिवो कि कोन करिवो एबनॉर्मल डेवलपमेंट करिवो एवडा को आसुची केउटु ना सर्टन भाइरस को तो आसुची प्लस आउ कोउटु तयारी होची ना फ्रॉम सर्टन ड्रग्स तेणु एटी प्लासेंटा कोन कला से जिंस को छाडिला नहीं किंतु ओ मान को छाडिला ना एंटीबॉडीज व्हिच आर फॉर्मड इन मदर अगेंस्ट द स्मॉल पॉक्स मिजल्स ए भलिया डिप्थेरिया ए सब रोगर जो एंटीबॉडी गुडा मा ब्लड रे तयारी हेछि से गुडा को छुआ को पसी आसीबो थ्रू दी छुआ ब्लड को थ्रू दी प्लासेंटा जा द्वारा कि पैसिव इम्यूनिटी डेवलप करेबो छुआर बॉडी रे किछि दिन पाई सो दिस इज द इट बिहेव्स एज ए प्रिवेंटिव और इट बिहेव्स एज ए बैरियर क्लियर then another it act as a endocrine gland we have already read the placenta behaves as an endocrine gland जोटा secrete करिवो HCG human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone which behaves as LH and maintains the that is the corpus luteum to secrete the progesterone maintains the that is the gestation period or pregnancy so HCG HPL that is the human placental lactogen ये कौन करिवो ना ब्रेस्ट डेवलपमेंट रे सहायता करिवो एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी ता छडा एस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्टेरोन रिलैक्सिन लास्ट बेल को सीक्रेट करिवो एगुडा सब सो इट बिहेव्स एज ए एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड देन आफ्टर दैट इज सोर्स ऑफ nourishment then after it is called as the last that is the source of it behaves as a source of nourishment माने source of nourishment होची rabbit out in case of the cow कोन हुए ना ए जो fetus ता बाहर ला that is the placenta ता बाहर ला परे not fetus that is placenta ता बाहरिबो केता बेले ना after the delivery so it is called as the after birth जेतले बाहरिबो ताको किछि गाई किबा किछि that is the ठेकुआ कोन करंती खाई दियंती and it act as a food for the that is the these animals so it behaves as a nourishment it helps in the nourishment of certain animals so up to this aji thau our next class re mo आर दीटा पढाई दे हला आर दीटा होची कोन ना that is the आर दीटा होची तमरो पार्चुरेशन एंड लैक्टेशन आर दीटा नेक्स्ट क्लास